I just got some fabulous mail to me. So I'm going to open it and see what it is. And hopefully it's what I've been waiting for. Fabulous fabric. Christmas came early. At least one gift. I didn't have any problem with delay in delivery. Yay! I can't wait to open it to see if it's like what I hoped it would be, and just as it said in the fabric description. So hopefully, come on. All right. Ooh. Okay. Wow. Okay, so red. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, nice quantity. Ooh, handbags, jacket. That's nice. I have lots. This is 5 yards too. Nice. Oh yeah, I'm happy. It's heavy, and no, it's not a real leather. It's a faux. It's a faux leather. We're not at that purchasing range yet to be able to do 5 yards of real leather. We'll get there. And I have this beautiful. Look at that. This is a snake print. Ooh, pretty. Can't wait to work with this. Ah, nice. It's a African snake print. Ah, beautiful. En moi. Yes, and I have another one. Ooh, I feel like I should have got some more. Check that out. Ooh. Tell me that's not beautiful. Tell me that is not to die for. Oh, wait. Yes, I can see them coming now. Limited editions. Yes, limited editions, limited designs. I want the blue one too. It's blue and there's a pink. Yes, that is it. That is my fabric reveal. Can't wait to get started.